amukira ngeithi ciakwa mwiroreri wa Muthingi TV Hwaini wa muthenya wa umuthe mwihoko wakwa ati weekend yaku irakire oro njega ni tariki 31 ni ndiko ya muthia ya mweri wa mugwanja tugacokeria Ngai ngatho ni tondu wa muthenya uyu gunyita ugeni thiini wa metha itu ya mohoro matha ici uri o haria uri ritwa riakwa ni Waitherero wa Njoroge no mbere ndaya ikitwambe twamukire mamwe ma maria tukuhaririirie. Ruhonge rwa Senate nirekinyetie thibitari-ini wa thukuru wa Kenyatta University kwaririria mathina ma utongoria. Murugamiriri wa utungata wa muingi Felix Kosgei kuga ati thirikari ni yambikite mihango ya wihariria ni undu wa magetha. Niturakumenyithia thukuru wa mwanya wa Rongai Agritech uria uri kaunti-ini ya Naikuru uria uhimbiirie urimi na njira nene. Mutumia wa miaka 31 gucakaya mwana wake wa miaka 18 kuguthwo ni rori ya gukua giko mwena wa Malindi. Na ngoririkanie no korwo ukiananiria nani kugerera kuria nenda-ini citu cia ukinyaniria kuria mwena wa Facebook ni @Muthingi TV kana page ni yakwa ya Waitherero wa Njoroge kuria mwena wa YouTube na kone @Muthingi TV na tukiambiriria ni ati kanjo ya magavana igitongorio ni gavana wa Kirinyaga Anne Waiguru ni igite na mucemanio na kuria mareganite na guberegenywo kwa watho wa kigina thirikari kia matora hatari kaunti gukorwo igikuruhanio makiandikithia mugaruruku mangi gwikwo thirikari-ini ya kaunti na ya gibũrũri ikuruhanio gatagati wa mangi ta uria Maina wa Mucwe aratariria.
Hindi ya kigomano gia kanjo ya magavana iria tongoragio ni gavana wa Kirinyaga Anne Waiguru, kanjo ino ni onanitie kunyita guoko itua ria igoti nene iguru ria kwaga gwitikiria guthondekwo kwa honge cia githirikari hatari kurumirira watho. Indi makienda bunge ya Senate kuthurima weru watho wa guthondeka honge ici iguo gutigirira ni ciarumirira mitaratara ya kiwatho.
Transplant Authority. The council welcomes the recent High Court judgment which declared the establishment of the Kenya Tissue and Transplant Authority to be illegal.
Magavana aya ni mendekithitie ruhonge rwa migunda kurugamia itangatho ria kwambiririo kwa tabarira ya uthii wa nambere wa waki wa thoko. Wona uyu ni wigiririki wa thirikari ya county editi wa thirikari ya gibũrũri.
For the avoidance of doubt, the development of markets in the country is a fully devolved function under the 4th schedule of the Constitution. As such, the program should be implemented by the respective county governments through conditional grants framework under the law, as we have done in the KIPES program. We therefore request the ministry to suspend the planned advertisement and task our leadership at the council to engage the Ministry of Lands and Public Works and Housing and Urban Development to agree on the modalities of rolling out this project.
Kukiri uguo ni monekete kwaga kuiganira na mogaruruku watho-ini wa kigina hatari kumakuruhania makiendekithia mogaruruku guthii na mbere na gwikika indi magikuruhania amemba othe makiria thutha wa itua rigikuruhania bodi cia county.
However, we welcome the move to review the act to conform to the judgments of the court which declared the county development boards unconstitutional amongst other critical issues. We note that there is need to undertake a more comprehensive review of the Act to address the emerging issues in the course of its implementation since the advent of devolution. We will in due course send the proposed draft amendments for consideration.
Ukuria wa ithaka kuria thirikari nene ina kionekia ukuria miti bilioni 15 ukinyaniria na mwaka wa 2030. Waiguru augite thirikari ya county ni yoete itua na kuhanda miti milioni 7.3 kuria county-ini ya Uasin Gishu mareregira ukahanda miti 300 kiambiriria-ini gia kigomano kiao.
In line with the special presidential program to grow 15 billion trees by 2032, the county governments have so far grown 7.3 million trees.
Mucemanio uyu wikikite ihinda ritanyihiire wiki igiri mbere ya kigomano kia ugai wa mahinya kiria kirigiriro ukanja tariki 15 mweri ukite gwikika. Handũ-inĩ ha Muthingi TV, riakwa ni Maina wa Mucwe.
Thegio muno mundu gwitwo Maina wa mucio ni undu wa riboti iyo. Tugithie na mbere ni ati kurumirira mucemanio uria uratafanirio muthi wa ira gatagati ga President William Ruto na mutongoria wa kiama kia Azimio Raila Odinga. Ndereti ino ni itumurite mawoni matiganite makiria kumana na kuri muingi amwe ao makionekana gutugiria undu uyu guku angi makionekana ko ukumithia na maya mokite riri kamiti ya mwanya itanyitwo kumbo niguo guthingicira mathina maria makoretwo kuo thiini wa bururi.
Ikinya ria President William Ruto gutungana na mutongoria wa mung'ethaniro Raila Odinga niritumurite mawoni matiganite.
That Kenya Kwanza is trying to deny His Excellency Obasanjo's presence and leadership of the top.
Aikari kuma kaunti ya Bungoma ni marutite muhwa wao amwe makionekana gutugiria undu uyu.
Mambo ya hiyo handshake tunasema ni sawa kwa sababu Wakenya kweli kusema ukweli Raila kitamba toke aende kwa barabara Wakenya wameumia sana. So tunasema ya kwamba hiyo handshake itasaidia Wakenya. Hiyo mambo ya kusema ya kwamba ati Raila amechosha, hapana, Raila hajachosha.
Ona gukire uguo amwe ni matariria ati mieri ino no ya kuguna andu kiume na makiria Odinga na thiriti yake riu makiuga atiri undu maguteithia.
Sisi kama Wakenya mazungumzo kama haya tumewahi kuwa nayo hapa awali na hatukuona matokeo yote mazuri kwa manufaa ya negotiation na kukaa kwa meza moja. Mwananchi wa kawaida hajapata lolote kutoka katika hayo mazungumzo.
Oho amwe a Kenya ni matariria ati ihinda ria Odinga ni rithirite na koguo ni agirirwo etikire ni ahotirwo githurano-ini kia mwaka muhituku.
Mohoro Odinga ametesa hii nchi sana na tunasema ni wakati wake sasa kupumzika, sababu yeye amesungusha inji nyuma mbele kona kila kona ameisungusha. Tunasema apumzike sababu wakati wake umefika wa kupumzika, hata miaka yake imefika yeye kupumzika.
Na hawa watu wote baada ya kura kuisha, President William Samuel Ruto baada ya kuapishwa, yeye ni president wa sisi wote, na wale watu ama wale wafuasi ambao wandani wa President Ruto wanaosema kwamba wale watu waliepigia Ruto kura ndio wa Kenya kuliko wale walipigia Raila, wanakosea inji na wanakosea katiba ya inji.
Muthiani ati atongoria a kidini ni moretia president etikire kuguithia garama ya muturire.
Naomba rais wetu wa nchi yetu awe mtu ambaye atasikiza wananchi wanasemaje, kwa sababu bidhaa ya vitu katika nchi yetu kweli ni vitu ambavyo vimeongezeka na wananchi wanalia, nikiwa mmoja wao.
Handu-ini ha Muthingi TV, ritwa riakwa ni Chege kwa Njohi.
Nataka tu kwa viongozi wa hii sababu
Thegio muno mundu gwitwo Chege wa Njohi ni undu wa riboti iyo. Tugithie na mbere ni ati ni itanya-ini ria kugitira na kumenyerera magetha, thirikari ni yambikite mihang'o ya guthondeka weru makumbi ma irio bururi-ini mwerekera-ini wa magetha na maria matanyitwo kuongerereka, na o ni kuringana na murugamiriri wa ruhonge rwa utungata wa muingi Felix Kosgei, na uria ugite ati marita thirikari matanyite guthondeka mashini 36 cia guthaitira magetha, na oho Kosgei ni oritie arimi kwaga gukorwo magikugirio waru ni turia nime niguo makorwo makiagirithia thoko ya kiria mararima.
Serikali iko na mpango ya kusaidia mkulima, sio fertilizer peke yake. Munaona hata Kenya Seed tuko na new management, tunataka wahakikisha ya kwamba mbegu ile inatoka huko ni mbegu ile sawasawa, mbegu ile itasaidia wakulima wapate mazao. We are now focusing on post-harvest management, and therefore the government has rolled out a plan to ensure that National Cereals and Produce Board depots are repaired, rehabilitated, refurbished, so that it will be ready to receive this produce from the farmers. Secondly, we are going to repair and make sure all the dryers in Moisbridge, in Eldoret, in Narok, in Bungoma, in Mosoriot and other depots that they are working so that it will be easier for farmers to dry their maize and ensure that when they store their maize, they will store their maize knowing very well that it will not go to waste. We have also come up with what we call warehouse receipting system, where private sector players will come up with the stores of their own, which are going to be certified. And the farmers will be using these stores only for storage, but their produce will remain to be theirs, and they can use the receipt that they are going to get whatever emergency funds that they require. We are going to ensure that all feeder roads, the ones that the county governments are going to do, the ones that the national government through KERA are going to do, we repair them, we ensure them, we ease the activities around agricultural areas. Tuko na madryers kwa makauntis nyingi area hii, zile zinaitwa mobile dryers, na tumezunguka, tumepata kwamba tuko karibu na mobile dryers karibu 36, so tunafanya repair ili isaidie wakulima.
Na tugacokeria thirikari ngatho ono ndomo na ruhonge rwa irio guku bururi-ini ni undu wa gukorwo magithondeka weru uhoro wa kuiga magetha. Tugithie na mbere na riboti ya kieha ni ati itua ria kieha na maithori ni rugumeire mucii wa Jane Mwango, mutumia wa ukuru wa miaka 31 thutha wa murio wake Daniel Thomas wa ukuru wa miaka 18 kurangwo ni rori na gukua giko giki gikorwo ikihanika kuria kaunti-ini ya Malindi toria mundu gwitwo Shige wa Njohi arataria.
Itu ria kieha na maithori ni rigumeire mucii kwa Jane Mwango, mutumia wa ukuru wa miaka 31 na uria ni nyina wa ciana 7 thutha wake kurwo ni murio wake Daniel Thomas wa ukuru wa miaka 18 uria warangirwo ni rori ya gukua giko na gukua hau kiara-ini kia gute giko kia Malindi igicoka thutha guita giko kiu.
Subu yote ilikuwa huku. By saa 9 tumemaliziwa na nakuta mtoto wangu mwingine wa 5 ndo anakuja na kulia, ananiambia mama Dani amekufa, amekanyagwa na gari.
Mimi ni mkaaji wa Timboni. Mnamo tarehe 28 mwezi wa 5 nilipigiwa simu akiwa mjomba wangu amekanyagwa na gari ya county. Nilitoka kule kufika nikamwona mamake akiwa ameanguka chini na babake wakilia hapo. Mjomba alikuwa amekanyagwa sehemu ya kifuani, na watu wa Timboni walikuwa na ghadhabu mpaka ikawa shida kubwa, mpaka gari ikachomwa. Kisha baadaye
kuringana na nyina wa Daniel, murio niwe urari kirigiriro giake kumuteithiriria hari mabataro ma mucii, na riu ni igutha inene kuona atigitwo na kigiriko na maithori.
Na yule mtoto wangu namba alikuwa yule nimemtegemea hapa nyumbani atanisaidia.
Mtoto wangu ambao walikuwa wamemtegemea ni huyo, na sasa hawajui afanye nini. Hata nyumba ni mabanda matupu. Ile tukiona pale kajumba kamoja, zile nyingine hata hawezi kujisaidia nazo. Hapa hawakosi kuwa wanapata shida za umbu. Hata neti wanastahili wao wanaweza kuletewa watu kama hawa wao nafaidika nazo.
Igeria riake na nyumba yake ria gwetha kihoto kia murio na uteithio kuma kuri thirikari ya kaunti ya Kilifi niririgite ihiga kuona aria mekirire mukondi uhoro uyu ni maregete kuruta wira na makiria thirikari kumahe kigina gia ciringi 50,000 ona thengia wao gwika budget ya ciringi 250,000 otoria marikaniire.
Na chief akasema kuna simu kutoka ofisi ya governor ambaye ametuma familia sisi tukae chini na manager wa municipal ambaye ni Mr. Mabati na watu wa county tuangalie namna gani tutamzika yule kijana. Na baada ya hapo walikuja wakanambia niandike gharama za mazishi. Gharama za mazishi niliandika ikawa ni 250, na shangaa nilipewa 50 na sasa wameenda kabisa, hawajakuja tena. Sisi tumebaki na majonzi.
Na watu wengine walikataa hata kwenda kunitolea ushahidi wenye ambao waliona ile gari kimgonga ule mtoto wangu.
Tumechoka na hii hali. Kwa hivyo hii mambo iende paka huko juu, iwaguse hao wajua haki, waangalie haki zetu. Kwa maana tumekaa muda mrefu na hatujajibiwa. Tumechukua namba za manager wa Mabati ambaye ni wa municipal, chifu nini.
Aikari onao nĩ makinyĩrĩirie atĩ kĩhoto gĩthingatwo na makĩria mateithio kuona ũcio tiguo mũtino wa mbere kĩara-inĩ kĩu.
Hali hilo tukia tarehe hiyo sio ati mara ya kwanza. Saa hii mtoto aweza kwa kama watatu wanakinyagwa hapa, wanakufa na hatuoni msaada wowote.
Kwa majina mimi naitwa Franco Chombo Mshenga. Jina la mtani ni Juma Mshenga. Kwa hakika yale yaliokuwa ni majonzi. Na huyu si kijana wa kwanza, anafikia kijana karibu watatu, lakini kila atakapokanyagwa fidia hawapati. Tunaomba serikali hao ambao wanaishi hapa si wanyama, ni binadamu. Na kama serikali inajua kwamba binadamu anastahili kama amepata shida afidiwe, ni sawa sawa au ataweza kufidiwa.
Handũ-inĩ ha Mũthingi TV, rĩtwa rĩakwa nĩ Chege wa Wanjohi.
Thegi muno mundu gwitwo Chege wa Wanjohi na twekihoka ati family iyo ni ukorwo ikiamukira kihoto kia mwana wao. Tugithie na mbere ni ati aikari a itura ria Mugambacura wodi ya Murinduko kaunti-ini ya Kirinyaga nimacakaite uhaguku wa ugitiri nduria utumite athuri ukorwo makiraranja kugitira utonga wao kumana na aici a mahiu aria mamagithitie thayo. Aikari magitongorio ni Michael Bogwa maugite aici aya riu magarurukite na kwambia kuyamira na riu makihoya ruhonge rwa ugitiri thiini wa kaunti ino kwambika virigation ya gwethana na aici aya kuona ni marakorwo makimacokia na thutha thiini wa miturire yao.
Rĩrĩ ritũ rĩa Mwea East Murinduko Mugambacura sublocation nĩ kũhitanĩte mũno tondũ rĩu ona tũrari gũtũgwĩka atĩa.
Gacoka goka kwa ng'ombe hĩndĩ ĩyo mĩraa ĩkahithũkĩrwo. Rĩu kũndũ gũkũ thirikari ĩtoire hatua akorwo nĩ itũra ta rĩrĩ mũndũ mwaka nĩyo mũcinga rĩrĩa rĩngĩ mũcinga ũngĩ rĩrĩa rĩngĩ mũcinga ũngĩ kana tũkĩreherwo bũthiti o handũ hakwo kambĩ ya thigari hau hake kambĩ ya thigari nigetha korwo nĩ itũra ta rĩrĩ gaikarĩkĩte atĩa. Nyama ciĩkĩte ũguo kwanja ta ĩri ĩno ya gwitũ nĩ twatigire kũrĩa ng'ombe tondũ ramenya ng'ombe ĩrĩa ĩgũthecetwo na nĩ yaiywo. Tarĩu ta cia mũthuri ũyũ cithire ndũngĩmenya mũthuri ũyũ rĩ kana arahete ndawa ũgĩcoka ũthiĩ ũgũre nyama cia ng'ombe ũrĩe ndawa. Rĩu ona mĩhũri nĩ magĩire rĩu nĩ gũkwenda gũthuthuria atĩrĩrĩ andũ aya mbucĩrĩ rĩ ng'ombe agĩthĩnja ndiĩ kana nĩ ciro irĩkĩgĩa.
Ũici wa mĩra ũici wa ng'ombe tarĩu Saturday thiru nĩ njĩrĩgĩte kũiywo 3/4 ng'ima ya mĩra na rĩu ndeke no tũrĩ arakaru mũno tondũ nginya my brother mũthenya ũyũ warĩkia gũkĩa ũmũthĩ wa Saturday ndĩ mĩra-inĩ ngĩraria ng'ombe ciake cithire ng'ombe ithatũ mathĩnjĩra haha neighbor na neighbor ũcio nĩ erĩgĩte kũiywo ng'ombe na mbũri. Rĩu niĩ njikaraga Mwea ngoka gũkũ ngararia mĩra yakwa rĩu ningĩ ng'ombe icio ici nĩ ithire ciathĩnjĩrwo haha area rĩu tũrarigwo atĩrĩ ndetweno ndeka muthia ĩgũthia atĩa thirikari tũgũteithania nayo atĩa ndeka ĩno rĩ tũbatie gũteithio nĩ thirikari either ĩtũrehere post hakuhĩ kana tũkĩmenye ũrĩa
acio nĩ aikari a kuma kũrĩa mwena wa Mugambacura kũrĩa nĩ kaunti ya Kirinyaga magĩgĩteta nĩ ũndũ wa ũhaguku wa ũgitĩri na twaikihoya atĩ kana twaikihoya thirikari nĩ gũkorwo ĩkĩigua ihoya rĩao nĩ ũndũ wa gwethana na aici aya makoretwo makĩmacokia thutha. Riboti ĩyo nĩyo ĩkorwo ĩkĩhe kahinda ga gũkorwo ngĩrikĩria ndũgathiĩ haraya nĩ amu nĩ ndĩracokereria tũthiĩ na mbere na kuona ũrĩa bũrũri witũ watinda ũkĩgariũra.
Twe barabara-inĩ tũgĩtuĩkania ng'ongo na ng'ongo gũtigĩrĩra we mwĩroreri witũ wa tabarĩra ya ikũmbĩ rĩa ũmatho nĩ twakũrehera ũtaũkĩru thĩinĩ wa biacara. Ĩno nĩ tabarĩra ya ikũmbĩ rĩa ũmatho ĩrĩa tũrĩ kũrehagĩra mũthenya wa gatatũ kwambĩrĩria thaa 2 kinyagia thaa 3 cia ũtukũ gũkũ kwa Mũthingi TV kĩhumo gĩa gũtherema. Naniĩ ngĩkũrehera ngetwo Mũthoni wa Wambũgũ. nyarari. Muthingi nĩ hĩndĩ tũrawamba no na tũkĩwambaga ndĩ haha gwĩkĩra ũira atĩ mũthingi ũrĩa tũramba wĩhandĩte ka ta ihiga rĩa nyaigĩ. Nyitanagĩra naniĩ Mũthoni wa Wambũgũ thĩinĩ wa tabarĩra ya igagũrĩro gũkũ kwa Mũthingi TV, kĩhumo gĩa gũtherema.
Hihi nĩũĩ nĩrĩ marĩtwa ta your honor, acquittal, accused, conviction mahũthĩkaga? Nĩũĩ makinya ma gũkinyũkia nĩguo wone kĩhoto gĩaku kana kĩa mwana waku?
Kĩhoto kĩa mwĩkũĩrwo nĩ kĩrĩkũ na tũngĩgĩkinyĩra atĩa?
Tabarĩra-inĩ ya watho kĩgeri-inĩ tũgakũhe kahinda ga kũria kĩũria na gũtũhe woni waku.
Na nĩkĩo marathi makoragana na nĩkĩo marathiĩ nginya makoraga ciana ici.
Ũrĩhĩte nyũmba rĩ, wĩna freedom ya gwĩka maũndũ mothe tondũ nyũmba ĩyo nĩ yaku nĩ ũrĩhĩte.
Nyitanagĩra naniĩ your lady Waitherero wa Njoroge thĩinĩ wa tabarĩra ya watho kĩgeri-inĩ, tũthome na tũhĩge hamwe ici ciĩgiĩ watho oro ũndũ ũmwe na kĩhoto gũkũ kwa Mũthingi TV, arĩkĩo kĩhumo gĩa gũtherema.
Kabuni ya wĩigithia na wendia wa ng'ondu ya Mrs Africa Homes nĩ kabuni ĩkũranĩire na njĩra nene. Nĩ tũheanaga motungata ma gĩkĩro kĩa igũrũ ma wĩigithia hamwe na wĩgwatĩri wa nyũmba na thogora mũbacĩrĩre, na rĩu nĩ tũrugũrĩtie tabarĩra ya mwanya bustani ya Mizizi mwena wa Malindi, kũndũ kũhoreru na kũndũ gũkuhĩ na taũni ya Malindi. Mũgũnda ũyũ ũrĩ kũndũ gũkuhĩrĩirie motungata ma mũingĩ ta mathukuru, mathibitarĩ, kwĩna thitima, maĩ maingĩ kinyanagia ma kũrĩma, barabara njega cia rami na kũndũ ũgitĩri ũgacĩrithĩtio na gĩkĩro kĩa igũrũ. Ũrĩ na mweke wa gũkenera ũkengu wa iria, mĩkawa mĩnene ya kĩmabũrũri hamwe na iharo cia ndege. Thiĩ ritaya ya tene ũtekũgiĩka na wĩhurĩrie buroti ya mũigana wa either na ciringi 99,000 na ina ready title deed, na ningĩ no ũgĩe deposit ya gĩcunjĩ kĩa 50 na cici ingĩ ũrĩhe kahora kahora gwa kahinda ka mĩeri 6. Kũhoro makĩria tũhũrĩre thimũ kũgerera namba 0207992215 ona twandĩkĩre WhatsApp nĩ ũgĩbogwo 742 112215 kana ndũmĩrĩri kũrĩ rũrenda www.miziziafricahomes.com ona kana email kũrĩ info@miziziafricahomes.com. Wabici citũ ciĩ mwena wa Westlands, Watamu Court Room 3, kũng'ethanĩra na Sarit Center. Mizizi Africa Homes, together building a solid nation.
Nĩtwakorwo tũgĩcokereria oro rĩngĩ mũroreri wa Mũthingi TV, korwo nĩ hingo na hingũrĩra karaviceni gaku wĩigue wĩ mũciĩ, tũthiĩ na mbere na kũmenya ũrĩa bũrũri wa tidia. Nĩ kwĩyumĩrĩtie ngucanio cia kĩng'ang'a thutha wa kamĩtĩ thuranĩre ya Senate ĩgiĩ ũgima wa mwĩrĩ gwĩkinya cukuru-inĩ wa KU nĩguo kũmenya kĩhumo kĩa ngucanio na ngarari gatagatĩ ga cukuru ũyũ hamwe na thibitarĩ wa KU, na hĩndĩ ya gĩikaro na kamĩtĩ ĩno ũrũgamĩrĩri wa thibitarĩ ũyũ ukiuga atĩ ũrũgamĩrĩri wa cukuru nĩguo ũkoretwo ũkĩrutithanĩria aruti kana ũkoretwo ũkĩrutithanĩria arutwo mũrigo harĩ arutwo kwamũkĩra maũtungata ma thibitarĩ ũyũ hĩndĩ ĩrĩa marathoma thĩinĩ wa thukuru-inĩ ũyũ wa Kenyatta University.
From the visit, we have gathered information very useful to our committee in making our report that is going to be submitted to the House. And we promise that we are going to complete our report so that decision makers can act after we get all our findings from all the stakeholders.
what will happen is for the institution to write the regulator.
Our prayer is that although we would like to have our hospital back, for now, can we start using those facilities?
They have asked the students, and if you look at the documents we take for the Senate and the chronology, you can see that has been the discussion. Then get the permission, attach them, because we also check with the board what is the procedure. And the board said we write, we attach them, and we vote. And that never happened. But now that it has happened, Honorable Senators, even tomorrow, if they are ready when the students come back, the students can stay. For the training, for the students who are not graduated, Honorable Senators, the training institution is one that writes. So we kept asking for you, and in the records, there are some letters, at least 2 or 3 letters we have written, to say, why don't we please go have KU evaluated so the students can come.
Visiting Kenyatta University and Referral Hospital together with Kenyatta University over a petition by the students, medical students of Kenyatta University. And the core matter in that petition is about the access of Kenyatta University medical students to use this facility in their learning. So we've just made a visit to university just to familiarize ourselves with the facility itself, and also get submissions from the university and also from the hospital board and management. That is exactly what we have done, and as a committee we cannot comment more than that until we conclude our report and make our submissions.
Na tugaikihoka ati ngurutano ici cia mugonda kuria mwena wa KU niguikorwo magikara thina maikimenya kihonia kia ngurutano ici. Tugithii na mbere ni ati ruhonge ruria rurugamagirira biacara na ganda bururi-ini rugete thirikari ni kwambika miario na ruhonge rwa AGOA gwetha thoko ya indo iria cithondekagwo ni kiganda kia nguo kia Rivertex mwena wa Eldoret county-ini ya Uasin Gishu. Na muikariri gite wa gikundi giki James Gakuya ni ugite ni macereire kiganda giki na wagi wa material na kwambetira kwa bei ya thitima ni mamwe ma mathina maria maragumira kiganda giki, na ni marikiririe na kuga kiganda giki kina uhoti wa kwandika makiria ma mbeu njithi no indi kwa ihinda riri kiganda giki kiandikite o andu 1,600.
Various number of charges that they are coming across, and majorly it is for them to attain a full capacity of modernization. You realized there before they were using those old equipment, and they have phased them out. They have installed new equipment, and those new equipment are at 97%, and they are seeking support to attain the 100%. Having attained that 100%, it will enable them also to qualify to be accredited. And once they are accredited, the accreditation will open their doors to access AGOA markets out of the country and to abroad.
Raw material, cotton, we have been having issues with. This year we have managed to give seeds to the farmers so that we can have sustainability of raw material, which is cotton. That's our mainstay here. So they are very happy to see that this is the expansion we have made, and this is the type of raw material we require, and also to prepare us to export our products to international market.
Na tugithie na mbere ni ati thukuru wa secondary wa Rongai Agritech uria uri kaunti-ini ya Naikuru ni utambulikanite na njira ya mwanya bururi-ini kuona ni uhimbiirie urimi wa mahiu orondo mwena irio bururi-ini, na thukuru uyu wina uteithiririo wa andu aingi nginya mare gatu bururi-ini ta uria mwandiki witu anatutariria na riboti ya mwanya ya muthenya witu wa umuthi. Kilomita 20 kuma tauni-ini ya Naikuru ni kuo gutungana na thukuru wa thekondarĩ wa Rongai Agritech uria wikarĩire mũgũnda wa eka 20 kuria eka 12 cihuthikaga na urimi.
Our school is very unique in comparison to many other high schools we have in our country. Reasons being, we incorporate teaching or enlightening our boys with agricultural skills, together with covering their curriculum, just like other schools are doing.
Mũgũnda-inĩ ũyũ kwĩna ng'ombe 100, ng'ondu 100, ngũrwe 50, mbũkũ 30 na ngũkũ, mboga, marigũ, mbembe, mboco, oro ũndũ ũmwe na nyeni cia ũndũire.
Different types of animals in the school. We have cows, we have pigs. In fact, the pigs is a trademark of this school. Then we have chicken, we have goats and sheep, and we have rabbits. Then when it comes to crop husbandry, we grow all types of vegetables, that is cabbages, spinach, we have tomatoes, potatoes, and we do also a bit of cereals, that is maize and beans.
Kũringana na mũrũgamĩrĩri wa thukuru ũyũ Paul Anderson, nĩ atĩ thukuru ũyũ ũrakũngũĩra mĩaka 50 na nĩ thukuru wa mwanya kuona nĩ mahĩmbĩirie ũrĩmi na njĩra nene na mawambĩrĩirie kuma rĩrĩa thukuru ũyũ wambĩrĩirie.
And the reasons why we do this is because we have realized the current generation of young people, most of them, they are born and raised in the city. So they don't have the opportunity to do these bits of farming, whether it is animal rearing or crops husbandry. It has been going on since the year 1973, and it has helped so many young men, because those who have passion for farming, after they finish Form 4, they don't even proceed to a tertiary institution, because already they have been given the skills that they need in farming. And so they venture into farming, and quite a number of them who have done that are doing very well in life.
Benson Kamau Njoroge aumire thukuru ũyũ mwaka-inĩ wa 1985 na nĩ atarĩirie ũrĩa agunĩkĩte na thukuru ũyũ mũtũrĩre-inĩ.
Ngai Agritech Secondary School has been a real help for me. Now after school, we were able to do theory agriculture and practical agriculture. And it was very interesting because whatever we raised from the shamba, we were able to take it to the kitchen where it was used. It was prepared for us, and I felt it was a good thing.
Francis Mureithio nake ndanatigwo na thutha agĩtarĩria ũrĩa agunĩkĩte mũtũrĩre-inĩ wake nginya wa ciana ciake.
Nilitoka hapa nilibenefit na vitu mingi sana, sababu saa hizi nina farm na nimeweza at least kujua the time ya kupanda mboga, the time ya mahindi, na imenifunza vitu mingi sana, because sasa at least nimefunza watu wengine, watoto wangu at least they are using my knowledge ya vile nafunza kwa shamba.
Arutwo nĩ marĩkĩrĩirie na gũtarĩria maũndũ marĩa mathomete makĩheana bata wa kũhĩmbĩria ũrĩmi mĩtũrĩre-inĩ.
Also, after finishing high school, I get my certificate, the community service certificate. So it's very, very good to be able to participate and get this agricultural skill. Also, when you go back at home, you may find when someone joins Form 1, is introduced to chicken, working chicken, cows, pigs. So when he goes home, he enters and then he starts a small project there.
Ihoya nĩ kũrĩ mathukuru maya mangĩ kũrũmĩrĩra nginyo cia thukuru wa Rongai Agritech nĩguo kũhĩmbĩria ũrĩmi bũrũri-inĩ. Handũ-inĩ ha Mũthingi TV, rĩakwa nĩ Waitherero wa Njoroge. na tũicokia ngatho nĩ ũndũ wa riboti ĩyo njega na ya mwanya na twĩkĩhoka atĩ arutwo othe na arimũ thĩinĩ wa mathukuru makorwo makĩhĩmbĩria ũrĩmi ta ũrĩa thukuru ũyũ wa Rongai Agritech ũkoretwo ũgĩthiĩ na mbere gwĩka. Igoti nĩ rĩkinyanĩirie kwahũranio kwa magoti ma gũthengecera marĩa matũrigicĩirie na maũndũ ma mĩgũnda itemi-inĩ rĩa kũnyihia mahinda marĩa moyagwo harĩ gũtuithania macira megiĩ maine na mĩgũnda, na kũringana na mũcirithania mũnene Justice Martha Koome augĩte akinyanĩirie ikinya rĩrĩ nĩguo kwagĩrithia ũtungata tanagi wa mahinda hĩndĩ ya gũtuithania macira marĩa makuruhanĩtie kuona macira maya nĩmo maingĩ mũno thĩinĩ wa magoti bũrũri-inĩ.
Today, as we inaugurate these two new divisions, our commitment to efficiency, access to justice, and specialized handling of these matters is redoubled. As we launch these two divisions, we have also established within the Chief Magistrates Court a specialized division of the Magistrates Court to deal with the land matters. Now they be scattered across magistrates. Identified 2 senior magistrates who are dealing with those matters. Rationalization of these two divisions is also a response to the changing needs and demands of our society, which faces unprecedented challenges and opportunities in relation to environment and land issues. Indeed, the centrality of the land question in Kenya cannot be overstated. The majority of cases that reach our courts are land-related, and even those that appear otherwise often bear a significant land dimension.
As legal practitioners, we understand the emotions and the sensitivities that surround these cases, and it is our duty as advocates to handle them with the utmost care, sensitivity, and empathy.
After the establishment of the division, the caseload
Mwĩroreri wa Mũthingi TV njĩtĩkĩria tũkĩhiũka ĩmwe kwa ĩmwe nginya kũrĩa iharo-inĩ na tũkĩambĩrĩria nĩ atĩ ũrĩa warĩ kapteni wa timu ya gĩbũrũri ya airĩtu ya Harambee Stars nĩwe wĩkaine ta Musa Otieno augĩte atĩ wagi wa macambĩki iharo-inĩ ũcũngĩrĩirwo nĩ ũhagũku wa ũgitĩri na makĩria mbĩtĩka-inĩ itiganĩte cia gĩkĩro kĩa gĩbũrũri, na Otieno augĩte atĩ mbĩtĩka cia matũra nĩ iria tona ingĩ nĩ ũndũ wa kwaga ciĩko cia ũhagũku wa ũgitĩri rĩrĩ mbĩtĩka irathiĩ na mbere bũrũri-inĩ.
Kuna watoto wadogo, kuna wanawake wanakuja. Huko juu kuna shida moja. Changamoto kubwa ni unapaka gari yako pale nje, haujui kama iko safe. Ukitoka pia pale unapata ukifungwa, pia kuna vurugu. Lakini uko mtaani, nasema uko mtaani unajua uko mali kuna safe na kuna security. Unaona kama waheshimiwa wote wawili wako hapa kwa mpira. Siku ngapi mwana waheshimiwa wawili wamepatana kwa mpira kwa stadium? Kuja tu kuangalia tu mpira ya mtaani inamaanisha wako na lengo lao na kwa support. Na hiyo ndio tunaweza sema. Pia tuangalie security. Mandi mtu anaona kuna fan, si ati mpira pekee wanacheza, because pia ukiangalia mama pale kuna vendor, wanauza pia chakula. Pia hapo wana support familia zao. But kwanza kama kwa stadium kuko safe, shabiki watakuja. Na kwanza kwa hizo timu mbili zimecheza, nimeona hiyo timu moja ya Katolini pia kuna kijana mmoja mdogo sana iko form 3 sasa, ni kijana ambao pia anafaa kutubuzwa. Timu hapa nyumbani umeona kuna vijana ambao vile wanacheza, wanacheza vizuri sana. Najiuliza kwa nini hawapati fursa ya kwenda kule mbele. Pia hao wanaweza kuwa na timu yao ya kutoka hapa, kwa sababu wanaweza kuja kama national team hapa wakapeleka timu juu, kwa sababu kwa kila timu unapata kuna talanta, kila mtu anakuwa na talanta yao. Kwa nini usitengeneze timu moja iwe inawakisha hiyo wodi hapa, ikienda kucheza inaweza fika pale juu?
Kwa nini msiende mpitishe mswada tupewe sports funds kwa kila ward? Ukute hiyo sports funds inaweza saidia zile vilabu ziko, zinaweza fanya shughuli zao za michezo, sio kungojea nyinyi mfundraise kwa marafiki zenu tu hivyo. Ukiangalia kuna kaunti zingine kama ukienda Makueni, each year unapata kila ward inapata karibu milioni 2 because ni kitu ilipitishwa kwa bunge. Na mnaenda kwa executive wasaidie mabarabara zikatwe. Kwa nini msiwe pia mfactor in viwanja? Because ukiangalia Mkitaka tucheze game mzuri, lazima viwanja pia nazo zikuwe mzuri. So mimi ningeomba kama mnaweza endelea vitu kama hizo.
Tukithii na mbere ni ati kaunti ya Nairobi ni iyukitie uhotani mbitikaini cia mubira kuri aria mari mawathe na iria cithakirwo mucii wa Eldoret kaunti-ini ya Uasin Gishu. Timu ino ya Nairobi ikometie aruna ao kuma kuria mwena wa Kakamega na bao 1-0 tina mbitika ici. Oho ni cikuruhanitie gucagurwo kwa athaki a timu ya kibũrũri ya aria mari na wathe.
Game ya Kakamega na Nairobi County imekuwa tough sana, imekuwa ngumu sana. Na Kakamega walikuwa watushinde. Lakini sisi nasi usiku hatukulala, tulikuwa tunaomba tu Mungu, tunataka hiyo cup. Na Mungu pia ametufanyia kazi yenye tulikuwa tunatarajia na imeonekana, tunamshukuru sana. Trials ijakuwa rahisi venye mimi nilikuwa naiona, lakini nataka kushukuru Mungu, tumetrain kuanzia January. Nikiambia wachezaji wangu tu focus tu kitu yenye tulikuwa tuna focus na Mungu ametupatia, tumepata cup. Nataka kushukuru tu selection ye itaselektiwa wachezaji wangu, hata wakichukulia karibu hata timu nzima, nitawashukuru tu sana.
Tuleta hapa niyo selection na I hope selection imekuwa poa. Wachezaji wenye wamekuwa hapa wengi kwanza kwa timu yetu. So mimi hata mimi nachezea nje, nachezea Turkey. Nitaje ligi kubwa kule Super League. So hii pia itakuwa ni challenge kwa wachezaji wenzangu, at least waonyeshe ile talent yao tukienda huko kwa hiyo tournament Ghana. So what we need ni support, at least vijana wakuwe fit. Support kipatikana vijana watakuwa fit, waingie camp mapema, at least wakuwe na ile active kwa hizo game.
Selection ilikuwa mbaya kwa sababu most of the national players na wale wanacheza professional players, wale wanacheza Turkey, wote walikuwa around. So it was easy. Ni kuangalia tu katika wale waliachwa last time, ni kina nani wameimprove. Lakini ile shida kubwa tuko nayo ni kwamba shida ile Kenya tuko nayo, hatuna league. Sasa mpaka kutokee event kama hii, mpaka kutokee All African Games, ama kutokee para Olympics, ndio sasa watu wanakusanya, we select a team, tunaenda. Sasa ni kuimprove, lazima tuwe na league ya Kenya.
Songeni mbele. Make sure unaonekana, wewe uko nyuma. Make sure unaonekana.
Wa Muthingi TV hauno tokoro tugikirira gaturumo mohoro maitu mathaa ici na makiria thiini wa mweri uyu wa mugwanja. Ngatho cia mwanya kuri we wakoro ukinyitanira nani hwaini wa muthenya wa umuthi. Ngatho cia mwanya andiki aitu othe a mohoro aria makorwo makiruta wira munene gutigirira mohoro maya wakorwo ukimamukira na njira iria yagiriire. My able producer mundu gwitwo Mwangi Job.